delicious plum and mint chutney in under 2 minutes. We'll grab a juicer. To this we'll be adding in 5 plums which have been washed and their pulp along with their skin has been extracted like this. You can squeeze in everything except the seed. The seed you can discard. To this now we'll be adding in 2 green chilies. If you want to keep it less spicy, add only 1 green chili. 10 fresh mint leaves, followed by 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now we'll be adding in a few spices like half a teaspoon of fresh jeera powder. This is roasted jeera or cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of kala namak or black salt. For taste we'll be adding in a quarter teaspoon of salt and a little bit of pinch of hing or asafoetida and 3 teaspoons of sugar for sweetness. Friends, in the end 1 or 2 tablespoons of water you can add, which is optional. This helps in blending the plum and the mint chutney together. We'll blend this at high speed and within no time now your plum and mint delicious looking and tasting chutney is ready, which you can have with any starter. Thank you so much for watching, friends, this recipe. You can also watch my other chutney recipes on my new channel which is called Aapki Rasoi on YouTube. Have a nice time. Thank you so much for watching, friends.